Hey friends, if you wish to find and manage downloaded files in Mozilla Firefox, then please watch this video. Now to find it, simply click on this symbol here and then select downloads. It will open the current download folder, the currently selected download folder, and if you don't find it here, maybe it was changed recently, you can simply go to the downloads folder of your system to File Explorer. But if you want to manage it, then click on this hamburger symbol and settings and search for download. Okay, and then go to the download section here, and then you can change where it is to be downloaded to. Like if you want to download it to a separate folder, let's say the pictures folder, you can do it here. If you want to download it back to the downloads folder, you can do it here. Okay, and you can also check this option, always ask where to save, or you can uncheck it. So it all depends upon you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.